Did you know that you can easily add subtitles in Davinci Resolve for your videos? And if you don't know, guys, I'm going to show you two ways how to do this. One, the manual way, and two, to do this automatically. And I'm sure that you'd like to do it automatically, right? And of course, you can always go ahead and go back and make small changes. Before we jump in, guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button? Because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. But if you have your videos, no one wants to spend the time to go ahead and make those subtitles manually because that will take a lot of time. So the automatic way is always the best way to go about it. But go ahead and ensure that you make small changes to it to ensure that just in case some words are not spelled correctly. And of course, if you just want to add a few words here and there, you can do that manually as well. So how do you do that? Once you're in DaVinci Resolve, guys, you want to ensure that you click on the effects option at the top here, right? And here you might see that your toolbox is minimized. You want to expand the toolbox section and click on titles. Now here, if you look towards the bottom or you scroll all the way down, you'll have the option that says subtitles. You can simply grab this or drag and drop this towards your timeline and it will create a new track, and this will add a subtitle here. Once you click on the subtitle from the timeline here, you can simply go ahead and you can add whatever you want. So you can simply click and type hello if you want, whatever you want to type there, and you can adjust this to wherever you want. You can always play around with the style and so forth of the text if you so desire. So once you click on the text, you can modify the text here. You can change it to whatever you want by simply clicking customize caption, and you can change the font family and do whatever you want, change the colors if you so desire as well, and make this to your liking. It's really up to you. You can change the size as well. You can make it as big or as small as you wish, right? So you can go ahead and you can make as much changes to it as you wish. But once you do so, then you'll be able to have your subtitles set up in DaVinci Resolve. So that's the manual way, right? In case you want to add more text, you can simply go ahead and you can add that by simply going back to the section here where you will have the caption, and you can simply go ahead and click and add new. So if you click and add new, you'll have a second one added there, and you can basically do the same for it. So here, let's say I have one here, I have one here. I can simply go ahead and I can do that, and I can play. I'm going to show you how to turn, and you get the idea. So you can do this manually and you can do this yourself. No, what if I don't want to do this manually, guys? How do I do this automatically? And it's very easy. Again, just in case you don't have the track appeared here, let's say there's no track, you can simply right click and you can add a subtitle track by clicking on add subtitle track. And from here, all you have to do is just simply click on timeline from the menus here, and here you'll have the option that says create subtitles from audio. All you have to do, simply click on this, you'll receive a pop-up and you will just need to simply create those subtitles from there. You can play around with your style, your font, your colors, whatever you might be, but once you click create subtitles from here, then you'll be able to create a subtitles from your DaVinci Resolve menus automatically. One thing I want to mention as well, that you will not be able to do this with the free version of DaVinci, and so if you want to be able to create the subtitles automatically, you will need to purchase DaVinci Resolve to be able to do this. And I'm going to show you a quick example what that looks like if you don't have the paid version of DaVinci Resolve. So if you don't have the paid version of DaVinci Resolve, then you will have something like this that appeared on your computer, and you will see that it mentioned that you need to have the paid version. It says you have reached a limitation with DaVinci Resolve. You can only have this feature if you buy DaVinci Resolve. You'll have all of those amazing stuff there, but you can always go ahead and you can add the subtitles in. So if you have subtitles, you can import your subtitles. Let me know if you'd like to learn how to do that as well. I can show you. Otherwise, you can write out your subtitles and you can easily have them done just the same. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.